UXVision is a leading Israeli UX service provider. We celebrated our 100th project with a unique challenge, the complete redesign of the leading Tel-Avivian blog called MaVeZe. Starting with the basic steps of the discovery stage, we found out that this time we would have to deal with every designer's worst nightmare, the target audience of Generation Y. Generation Y are regarded as those born after the 1980s. It all seemed like one big paradox, to design a blog for people who don't really have the time or patience to read. In order to keep things interesting and engaging, we provided the site editors with a set of 16 different content blocks, leaving a minimal amount of constant elements. In order to make things easier for our millennials, what we actually did was design our content in a single horizontal navigation model, using linear exposure for the content. We planned the whole as a boulevard of unexpected, engaging blocks of content. In order to help our users with the decision of which blog post to read, we informed a rating measurement tool, allowing users to easily identify the most popular posts. One of the major challenges we faced was breaking the ice between the bloggers and readers. We equipped the bloggers with tools that gave them the ability to share the atmosphere behind the scenes and tell the readers when they wrote the post, where they were located, what the time was, what the temperature was, and most important of all, what their mood was like. We allowed the bloggers to define which soundtrack they would like the reader to hear while reading. We decided to allow the bloggers to record themselves, leaving the reader with the ability to hear the actual blogger instead of reading it themselves, which completely reduced one's need to read. Whoever said a blog post needs to be textual? In order to make the relations even warmer, we set each post with a unique feedback system, allowing the reader to share his feelings toward the post, comment, and leave their feedback, giving the blogger a much more personal and intimate feedback, rather than just a simple like. Knowing that the website will ultimately contain much content, we defined a precise set of grids enabling the website's content to consistently move along a unified set of foundations. But let's talk business. We allowed the presence of banners that fit the general structure of the site and embed into the boulevards, just like street ads can be found between the shops on Champs-Élysées in Paris. Responsive design? Yep, we've got that too. Offering an engaging experience that would fit the different platforms was a must. The horizontal navigation solution gave us an easy head start, fitting laptops, desktops, and large screens as well as tablets. But we chose a different approach for the smartphones and provided them with a mobile web solution that would put the blog's content in the center. UXVision, changing the world pixel by pixel.